The surprising benefits of teeth. Whitening. You never knew. Have you ever wondered if teeth whitening is really worth it? Most people think it's all about vanity and aesthetics, but the truth is, there's so much more to it than just a brighter smile. In today's video, we uncover the fascinating, science-backed benefits of teeth whitening that go far beyond appearance. Confidence boost. A bright white smile naturally encourages more frequent smiling, which in turn releases mood-boosting chemicals like dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins. This can improve not only your mood, but also your overall self-esteem. When you feel good about your smile, you project confidence in personal and professional interactions. Professional and social advantages. Studies have shown that people with whiter teeth are often perceived as more successful, competent, and trustworthy. Whether you're going for a job interview, a sales meeting, or even a first date, your smile can leave a lasting impression. In fact, first impressions are often made within the first few seconds, and your smile plays a huge role in that. Encourages better oral hygiene. Interestingly, people who invest in teeth whitening often become more conscious of their oral hygiene habits. After whitening, many people are more motivated to brush, floss, and schedule regular dental checkups to maintain their bright results, which leads to healthier teeth and gums over time. Psychological impact. A whiter smile can also reduce anxiety about your appearance, especially in social settings or public speaking situations. Feeling good about your teeth can free you from self-conscious thoughts, allowing you to focus more on the moment rather than worrying about how you look. Reverses staining from lifestyle habits. Teeth whitening helps counteract the effects of coffee, tea, wine, smoking, and certain foods that can stain enamel over time. This allows you to enjoy your favorite treats while still maintaining a clean, youthful appearance. Non-invasive and quick results. Unlike some cosmetic procedures, teeth whitening is non-invasive and can deliver noticeable results within a short period. With professional treatments or advanced at-home kits, you can achieve several shades of improvement safely and conveniently. Anti-aging effect. Believe it or not, a whiter smile can even make you look younger. Discolored or yellowed teeth are often associated with aging, so whitening your teeth can give your face a more vibrant, youthful glow. Whether you're considering professional whitening or looking into at-home options, the benefits are clear. It's not just about looking good, but feeling good and enjoying a range of positive effects on your personal, social, and professional life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating health and wellness insights. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.